explain something. How is produced the AC power in the lake close to your city? How is produced the power, the electricity over there in the lake? Because you have the lake and the lake is in calm. How that lake produce power? It's like this. It's something like this. This is water, no? And you have, for example, here a perforation, and here you install a big rudder, no? You remember the rudder, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, guys? Positive, 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 and the other ones, negative, negative, negative. And here, in the bottom of this, you install a turbine. And here is, what is this?
Coil.
The coil. No? It's a rudder like this, super big rudder like this, and the coils. And here I install the turbine. And the jet of water is here. What happened with the turbine?
Sorry.
You know the pressure of the water? The jet of water here is ultra high speed and produce a lot of RPMs. And finally here you have AC power. For that reason, in the lakes is important the level of water. And you hear that we have water in the Okeechobee Lake for 2 more weeks because the level is going down. If no rain in two weeks, no more power. Yeah, the level of water is important. Yeah, to spin those turbines. Okay, what happened with that power? What is the inconvenience with AC power in comparison with DC power? DC power can be stored here. And also I can transport the DC power. Yeah, I move the batteries. You move the battery of your cell phone in your pocket all the day. You move the battery of your car. It's energy storage over there. This is a great advantage of DC. You can store as AC and move AC in your pocket. What happened with the AC power? Produce it. Should be? Use it. If it's not used, sorry. For that reason, you have a minimum monthly payment in your home. Why I need to pay $120 minimum? Papi, because the power is over there. You don't use, sorry. Minimum 120. If you use more than that amount, you pay the extra. This is the payment in your home. But minimum is 120 because the power is over there. If you don't use, the power is dissipated. If the power is produced in Okeechobee, 250 miles from here, how the power is transported? How the current is transported here from the lake into my home? How? How is the process? With transformers. Look at this. This is the idea. And here you have a transformer. And this power enters here and goes out here. And goes to other transformer. And this one to other and other. For that reason, if you drive to the turnpike, you see each 20 something miles that big transformers. And you see the lines, one transformer, lines, other transformer, and finally the current is here. And you know that some countries, for example, Colombia produce energy and sell energy to Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia. Wow. Because the energy is transported in cables. Transformer. Those transformers are step-up transformers because in between this and this, the voltage drop. And the transformer increase again. And once again, the voltage drop and the transformer, later we are going to talk about step-up transformer, step-down transformer. This is the process. Nice, no? And finally, you receive the current in your home, but that current is produced miles away. A lot. AC current. How is the wave? How is the shape of the wave in AC? We are going to simulate the rotor. and this is positive. And the other ones are negatives, negatives, negatives. You remember this, no? Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative in this rudder. What about this rudder? It's exactly the same. One is positive, negative, because this one have more poles, and this one less. And this is the coil. Look at the coil. In this particular case, this coil is for one phase. Look, the cable enter here, bling, 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 and finish here. If you check with the multimeter continuity between this and this, you have beep, because this is the beginning at the end. This is hot and this is neutral. And what is this, the middle one?
Ground.
Is the ground. Suppose that this is the coil. I'm going to simulate the coil here, like this. One coil. Okay, this is hot and this is neutral. You see? That's the coil. I simulate that one more separated. But it's exactly the same. Okay? Look at this. When this positive, this one is moving in this direction. Follow me. When this portion of the positive pole is in front of the coil, at the beginning of the coil, is a little positive, no? It's the beginning with this point. Is a little positive. What happens when this positive is in the middle in front of the coil? Is the maximum. And what happens with this end is at the end of the coil? Is
Minimum.
you understand? And now start negative. And the negative is exactly the same. This point is where the middle of the negative magnet is in front of the middle of the coil. Ah, look at this. Pin, pin. Positive and? What is the name of that complete
The
cycle? This is one cycle. Ah, of course. When those two magnets pass in front of the coil, one cycle is produced. After that, other two magnets, positive and negative, pass in front of the coil, and other cycle is produced. And after that, other two in front of the coil. How many cycles have the electricity in America? 60 cycles in 1 second. Ah, nice. How many cycles have the current in Europe? 50. Oh, 50 cycles in 1 second.